Hi again. This is to run through the installation of the headpiece. I'm going to whiz through it because I've only got 10 minutes recording. This is the base for the larger head. It's quite heavy because it's weighted, but underneath is marked back, front, ear and can, which become clear in a minute. Taking the head, if you put it on some cushioning on the floor, just want to turn it upside down, then if we get another person to hold it steady, take the base and making sure it's lined up with the right points on the head. That's just going to slot into the bottom. So, as I said, ear marks up with ear, back with back, etc. Then flip it back up again. So now the head is on base and it's sitting at the right angle. So next we've got the smaller head. It's got this length of cord on it, which is going to feed through this can and go into the larger head. So take the end of the cord, feed it through this end. Comes out of the opening there. Pull the cord through. So then we've got these two little pins which are going to go into the bottom of the base there. So you can see how they line up. Then just push it together. That's done. Put this on its base, which is like the other one. This one's angled so that the head's going to be leaning backwards. Same again. Just slots in. And that's set up. So then the cord is going to feed into this can, which is going to then slot into the side of the larger head. So, going to feed it into the outside of the can first, through there. There's a lot of extra cord on here, but the point we're going to tie it off to the anchor on the big head is just marked with a little black line. So if you pull all this closer together, you'll have to hold the can up so that it doesn't pull the cord down to the ground. And this is just going to slide in through this anchor point. There's our line, so that's where we want to tie it off. Okay. And just check the rest of the cord inside the can, which is then going to slot into the side of the head at an angle. So with this this blue section facing upwards, just push that in as far as it goes. We can adjust it afterwards. Then we move the smaller head and its base backwards so that the cord is tight, and then it's really just a case of adjusting it so that everything kind of lines up. So basically we want these 2 feet sort of on a parallel line. And the angle of the can wants to match this angle. There's a bit of fine adjustment, but it's quite easy. Okay, and then we'll just do the last bit. So we've got this big abstract shape here. That's the top. The bottom is the copper bit you can see. That slots into the ear. So just hold it tight at the bottom and the top, and just sort of twist it in. As far as it will go. Then on the clarinet, you've just got these front and back sections. That just slots on here. And then this one onto the other end. And then finally, this plastic cheese, that's got a hole in the bottom, and it's just going to slot onto the top of the metal, right at the top of the sculpture. Like that. And that's basically it.